Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Hi guys. Today in this video, you'll learn how to make shrimp pad thai. Pad thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish normally served as a street food and at most restaurants in Thailand. I will show you an easy step-by-step on how to make shrimp pad thai. On medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. When oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons sliced shallot. Stir fried until nice smell. Add 2 tablespoons sweet radish. Add 2 tablespoons dried shrimp. Add 3 tablespoons fresh tofu, cut into small pieces. Cook for 30 seconds. Push to one side of the pan. Add 2 eggs. Scramble the eggs gently and let the eggs set about halfway. Flip the eggs over and break up the eggs. Then push the egg to one side. Add 5 shrimp. Cook until they are halfway done. Flip and cooking on the other side. Then mix everything together. Then push to one side. Add 100-gram rice noodle. If you use dry rice noodle, you have to soak in water for 1 hour or until the noodles turn from translucent to completely white. But if you use fresh rice noodle, you don't have to soak them. Add 3 tablespoons pad thai sauce. Add a little bit of water, stirring until the noodles have absorbed all the sauce. Check the noodles, if still hard you need to add more water. Then keep stir-fried and tossing until noodles is soft. Add 2 cups bean sprouts. Add 1 cup garlic chives, cut into pieces. Then stir-fried and tossing just to mix. Turn up the heat. Turn off the heat. Remove to a plate. Add extra bean sprouts. Add garlic chives. Sprinkle a little bit of peanut on top. Add extra peanut on the side. Add chili flakes. Add a piece of lime. Don't forget to squeeze the lime over the noodles before you eat. Enjoy!